D-Dub and Slim are on the side watching. Slim.
Got 100 grand in my side pocket.
Philadelphia watching. They all stick the Lego. So that bitch, give me hair.
Ocho Cinco. Tell that bitch, give me hair. Ocho Cinco. Ocho Cinco. Ocho Cinco. Tell that bitch, give me hair. Ocho Cinco. That's up. Pull up in that station. Get that top down. Big ass up. Chain light up. They black out. And Ocho Cinco. That's it. Headbanger. Say it, bitch. Looking thirsty. Told her, gum. Drink in my head. That new nigga. And whoa. Shorty got that Ocho. Good head. Yeah, and but I'm like a all I got bitches is pipe water. I done came overnight.
Bitch, give me hands on my way, shake. Hand in your brain, and the thing is slang, with brain, love, and coming, these bitches, I don't know shit about it, but they handshake. Girl, I fuck that pussy to the leg breaker. Whatever we do in the wrong things, fucking in the room, making ankle. P-A-D. And I got P-A-D. Bitches on my boys, I'm feeling like punk, son, black, spur. So I'm gonna hood, get a hand like turn. I need y'all a good job, so you got a blow job. Sucking it from 9 to 5, that is work. Yeah.
Hennessy in this weed, bitch. Act like I'm the police, bitch. Drop down on your knees. Act like you don't know what I said, bitch. Ass up with your legs split. Dick all in your mouth. Talking about
I don't use to give head.
Bitch, girl, you know you be popping it. Don't act like you ain't ratchet. Pause, I'm making pass my nigga. Don't let me go get that. I'ma turn shit up and get. Never seen a ratchet get right, but I done seen these whites get. I need it.
What up? It's Machine Gun Kelly from Philly right now. It's my man Meek Mill's motherfucking hometown, man. Me and him go back, man, since shit. Me and him met at an autograph signing in my hometown, actually in Cleveland. And I was standing next to him, and I think he just saw how many motherfuckers were coming up to me like, yo, let me go, like spazzing and shit. And he was kind of like, who the fuck is this motherfucker? And like, you know what I'm saying? And we ended up, we just kept going, you know what I'm saying, doing our own thing. And then the Wild Boy shit came out, and like, you know, Meek was the hottest motherfucker at the time, you know what I'm saying, along with everybody else that was on the record. And, you know, I was always a fan of him, so I reached out, got him my Wild Boy remix. We came out and did that joint like a year later in New York, and Ross was there. And the crowd went fucking crazy when he brought me out. So like, Meek and Ross were like, shit, do you want to tour? You know what I'm saying? So we ended up going out on tour together. We were doing arenas. You know what I'm saying? It was wild, man. We had both our fan bases there, and then me and Meek and all his people and all my people just would get fucked up together, party, fuck with bitches, all that shit, and shit, motherfucker, we just build a relationship. And as a matter of fact, the Peso joint come about when I went on his bus one day when I had this beat, and I went on, and I was like, yo, oh y'all, turn that shit off, put this on, play the beat, and I was, remember that shit? I was like, and I played it, and I was like, yo, Meek, what you think about this shit? I be doing hard for that, Peso. Everyone on the bus started being like, Peso, and shit just came like that, really, and then, shit, we all just remain friends, you know what I'm saying? Just like right now, you know what I'm saying? There's people out here, well, we're out here showing us love, holding us down when we're out here, shit, so, I mean, that's basically how it is.
It's a long way home at the end of the road. I'll be paving my own way to the top. I'll be here to stay. So take my name, remember this face. Keep the change and have a nice day. And live for the moment, not by the past. Homie, live each day like it's your last.
All my life, I couldn't fit in like a bad shoe. I was always too square, too cute, too tall, too weird, too blue. Forget them high school hotties, now I'm too cool. I guess I came a long way from that young kid. The school's most popular lane. No friends, no style, no clothes, no ends. Just a bed, fell asleep and never woke up again. Yeah. And my last prayer was don't ever let me end up like the people that's down here. Cause the one that fear change be the one that don't care. Look at themselves and see somebody else in the mirror. But you could always pick me out of the crowd. Loud mouth with my very own style. And what I know now is don't ever pretend. And live every single day like you won't see it again. Gone.
So take my name, remember this face. Keep the change and have a nice day. Live for the moment, not by the past. Homie, live each day
And if
like
you only
it's your
had
last.
24 hours and 1400 minutes before your dream's gone, then you better go live it. Cause whatever you love could be taken away. So live like it's your dying day. I dedicate this to my teachers that never believed in me, and the mother that conceived but ended up leaving me. So I just wish y'all could see me smile. This big grin's on the TV now. And I took it from the bottom to the top. From the holes in my socks, ramen noodles in the pot. Used to rob them on the block, now they spot me in a drop. Middle finger up and that ain't gon' stop. I used to take orders and now
Man, Dream Chasers, EST, man, lace the fuck up, you little bitch. And shout out to Major Films for making all this shit possible, man. Lace up.
What's up?